Rock on!
Let's rock.
Teams, this is it. The 6th and final week of Rock the Block. This is the week to add that final secret project anywhere you want to your house, inside or out. Something that adds value with whatever remaining money you each still have.
Thank you. Let's do it.
All right.
All right.
Let's talk about our judges this week. There are 3.
Okay.
The first one is definitely extra special because she's rocked the block just like you. She's also the star of HGTV's Help, I Wrecked My House. Season 1 winner Jasmine Roth is coming to Paulding County, Georgia to judge your homes.
Jasmine, nice. All right. She knows what's up.
And Jasmine will be joined by Georgia real estate experts Ken and Anita Corsini.
Oh. All right. First love.
Okay, teams, for the last time, let's rock this block.
Woo! Yes. Let's go. All right.
Let's do it. You got this.
So the theater room I'm actually really excited about. One of the things that we want to do with this home is create spaces and places where people could travel.
Without leaving the house.
Without leaving the house. Creating this home theater downstairs in a room that has no windows, there wasn't a lot to do with it. We've really maximized our square footage. We've got a big TV coming in, a bunch of comfortable seating. We're lining all the walls in this beautiful suede fabric, so it's gonna feel very luxurious, but we didn't spend a ton of money in there.
We're gonna stick with our game plan and our strategy of spreading out our budget throughout the house. That's exactly what we've done, and we've got $10,000 left in the budget to spend on something special this last week.
We are not going to waste time on spending it. We have a time crunch, and we are cutting out a huge wall in the 3rd car garage, and we want to transform this thing into a home fitness center.
We're gonna deck this whole space out into a gym. This turf is really gonna set it off, kind of like a functional training area. We got our garage door, it's gonna open up. So I appreciate y'all coming out because this is gonna look incredible.
We have about $2,500 left in our budget after adding the backup generator, and we are going to use all of it to install an energy recovery ventilation system inside the attic. This is going to continuously replace all that stale air inside the home and replenish it with clean air.
With the additional bathroom we added this week, we took this house from a 4-bed, 2.5-bath house to a 6-bedroom, 4-full-bath house. With our splashes of color, we are hands down the most unique house on this block.
Go inside.
Enjoy, guys.
Enjoy. We'll see you on the other side.
Here we go. I'm so excited. Look at this front door.
Isn't this beautiful?
My eyes are drawn to this tile because this is stunning. This tile's amazing.
It just reminds me of being in a house in Europe, which is cozy and elegant and really sophisticated.
It was an L-shaped kitchen before.
Okay.
And so to get rid of that pony wall and open it all and just create this one big space, completely transformed this.
Are these countertops not exquisite? I want to take this for a test drive.
You guys have kids. I have a kid. You know, there's like sippy cups and like straws, and where does all that stuff go?
Yeah.
It feels like you're in a magazine and not necessarily like you could, you know, just kind of pull up a high chair. Oh, wow.
Totally out of the beams.
And carried them vertically along the wall. I like that. That's a cool touch.
Yeah.
The other thing I want to point out is I can tell in the back that they took brick all the way around, 4 sides. That's huge in this area.
That's added value big time.
Yeah.
Big time.
Yeah, look at this bathroom. I don't even know where to look first.
Wow, so they really rearranged this bathroom.
Did they?
Yeah, because the shower was over there. They moved it over here, where this was the vanity before.
They separated the vanities, which is always a bonus, I
Yep.
think. Look at that.
Holy
Oh,
cow.
all right.
How gorgeous is this movie room?
Buyer's gonna love this.
I love this.
Are you done for the day? Are you good?
No, this is cool. Wow. Oh my gosh, this just keeps going.
This is gorgeous.
Check this out. Do you guys notice this? Deadbolt.
Oh, so you can lock it off.
So they're definitely thinking in-law suite.
In-law suite,
Characteristic.
rental property.
Yep, this might be game changer right here.
Hello.
Hello.
Good to see you guys.
You too. Oh my goodness.
Wow. This is a
Nice.
grand entry.
The staircase feels really well done.
Yep.
I love the wrought iron. What's
about
going
this?
on
How
in
about
this?
this?
Yes.
Trim.
Check out this library. Those antique corbels are to die for.
Mm-hmm.
I think the green works.
I do too.
Wow.
It's gorgeous.
Holy cow.
This is a kitchen.
Yeah.
This is a dynamite kitchen,
Look at the beams all the way through, from family into kitchen,
which makes it feel long.
A beautiful pantry.
with additional corbels.
The other thing that there's some money spent on is this wall.
You know, interestingly, they closed in the door. This was the exit onto the deck.
And now they have these nice big doors off the family room.
Yep.
I mean, the fireplace is really nicely done.
I like the simple elegance of it.
Yes.
It's all open, and with these beams, it feels big, doesn't
It
it?
does.
Right.
Feels really big.
It feels really big.
What is
Holy
happening in this
cow.
bathroom? The ombre color is really interesting. It's not just the tile though, it's the grout. You have white grout,
Oh, yeah.
then you have
you're
gray
right.
grout, and it gets darker as
Oh
you
my
go
gosh.
up.
This was genius. They got a bedroom.
With a closet, so
Yep.
that's good for resale.
Yep.
Look at this outside area.
Yep.
Okay, now this is crazy.
Oh my goodness. This looks
Come on.
so...
Look at that.
Well, here's your kitchen.
Yep, there it is, right there.
Well, your grill, at least you get your grill. The backyards in all these houses are pretty minimal. It's like you get a house and then you got wood. So my question is, you know, they could have just had a small backyard, but they decided to put a putting green instead. How much value does that add to have a putting green versus just a backyard?
It would add value to a avid golfer.
Yeah,
That's right. That's a very specific buyer, though, that wants
Right.
a putting green right in
Right.
their backyard.
it's true.
When we were walking around the house, one of the things I noticed was there's a backup generator installed to the house. So there's a buyer that's going to be interested in that.
Definitely. Wow, look at this.
Holy moly.
This is a lot to take in.
It is a lot to take in. I mean, they weren't kidding. They went bold.
The wallpaper is a statement, but I also see
Yes.
these ombre stairs like at the same time. The paint though, this is a
Right.
bold choice
Yep.
to paint the entry black. I mean, not everybody's gonna get this.
I
All
like
right.
the wallpaper.
And there's a closet, so this is a first floor bedroom, a legitimate extra bedroom.
Yes.
The question, though, is do they have a full bath now to service this room? Yes, they converted this to a full bath.
Oh.
This is a legitimate suite.
I love the tile on the walls.
Counter to ceiling.
It's gorgeous.
Well, I like where they put the kitchen. I would have never have thought to move the kitchen into what was our dining room.
The color doesn't turn me off.
Me either,
Like, I think
yeah.
it's really fun. I like that the island is neutral and that's a different color.
You've got this view here
The view is so cool.
of
Yeah.
the lake while you're doing your dishes.
So they added this mudroom, which is why this room feels a little bit smaller.
They did floor to ceiling tile, which is a huge value add.
Tile is gorgeous.
There's no vanity here, and you've got a double sink right on top of each other here. I'm not sure that makes the most sense.
No, it's not a huge value of space. The window, I mean, if you're showering here, that has to be covered.
You'd have to frost that glass. I feel like this is very cramped.
They spent a lot of money to reconfigure this whole space, and I don't know if they got that money out.
Full bathroom. Bold choice on the tile.
Definitely, yeah.
That's the theme
They
of
weren't
this house,
kidding.
is bold choices.
Yeah, but again, it's not for everybody, so that would be the challenge.
Don't you feel like there's a filter on your eyes right
Yes.
now, like some sort of pink
Yes.
filter? Because everything is pink. Even this ping pong table is pink.
Pink. This whole house is bold. I think it's gorgeous. You've got 2 extra bedrooms.
So 6 bedrooms, 4 bath.
That'll be a big part of it.
Yeah, that's huge. But I think there was some missed opportunities.
Wow.
This is nice, open,
Traditional. How about the chandelier?
small, and maybe it just needs to come down a little bit.
It's not gonna hurt an appraisal.
No, it's not. Chandelier, check.
That's right.
Exactly.
All right, we got barn doors right here. This is different.
All right,
Okay,
so what
so-
are they doing here?
You've got an office with a closet.
Smart.
So guess what?
Bedroom.
Bedroom.
Check. Very smart.
And it's value.
We should check out this powder room. Oh.
I like the wallpaper.
Simple.
If that's a bedroom, it's hard to not have a full bath on the main level. Does that make sense? I mean, because how's that gonna be a bedroom and then you don't have access to a shower on the same level?
Look at this party island.
Look at all this storage. It goes on all the way around.
I mean, there is no shortage of storage in here.
What? This isn't even, look. This is a great
This is cool.
pantry.
This is a pantry. Surprise pantry.
You know I love a hidden door. Double dishwashers?
Yep.
Stop it. Anita the appraiser gives this high value.
This is an electric fireplace. They've got the ceiling detail. They didn't go as crazy with the beams or anything like that.
They've done a really good job of making this space feel really big. All right, so check this out.
What is this?
We've seen these before, Anita. These are those smart pergolas.
Yeah, they open on your voice command.
Activate.
No way.
That is, look, look, look.
That is so cool.
These things are amazing. I mean, this is covered space.
Right.
This is gonna give you a bump on an appraisal.
Whoa. This is the bathroom.
This is amazing.
I'm trying to wrap my head around what they even did to get
They've
this.
completely opened this up.
What is this door to?
We missed this one.
Did you notice this?
Another garage door.
No
way.
Way.
Look at this.
Hello.
This is incredible.
What is this?
Hit it. Come on.
Stop.
Well, if you open the front, you'd have a cross breeze in here. It'd be perfect
Totally.
for a gym.
This is amazing.
Teams, are you ready for this?
Don't start with me, Ty.
Oh my God, now I'm even nervous.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Please.
The winner of Rock the Block is... Tiffany and Mika!
Oh my God.
Yes!
You're crying.
She told me I couldn't cry. This is surreal. One of the best moments of my life.
You did it.
You did it.